Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just wanted to let everybody know how to get you an air fryer on a budget because I have a few friends, that I told about the air fryer, and of course people don't want to spend money about something that they really, they don't know anything about or whatever, so they don't want to go out and spend their money and not be happy, pretty much. So I just wanted to tell them how you can do that on a budget. Um, I wanted a new one. I have like a 2.4 size now, and I wanted the 5.6 quart air fryer, but I've been shopping, so I wanted to save a little bit of money right now. So I didn't want to go out and just spend that large amount. So what I did was I went to the Home Shopping Network or either QVC, Evine, whichever one, and I ordered it through them because with them you can do payment plans, and they can just have it come out your account or your debit card. Like mine was $100 on yesterday, so and they nice air fryers, and I got it for 5 payments of $20, so you won't even miss that. And my air fryer is already on the way. And I'm telling you guys, if you've never tasted air fried food, it's so good. It's so good. And it's healthy for you. You don't have to use a lot of grease. So just go and check that out. And I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just like to let people know when I find out information. So, and I'll be doing another video just to give y'all some other tips that I also have found that's been helpful. Until next time, bye.